In this video, I'm going to show you how to create accurate AI transcripts using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and uploading your audio or video transcript file, or paste the text from a recording if you already have it converted. Then, type a prompt like clean and format this transcript, or turn this audio into a readable transcript, and DeepSeek will organize the content into clear, well-structured text. You can ask it to add speaker labels, fix grammar, remove fillers, word, or summarize long conversations into key points. If needed, DeepSeek can also translate transcripts or convert them into meeting notes, blog posts, or subtitles. Once finished, copy the transcripts into your document, editor, or subtitle tool. So that's it.